Visibility my PPT?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First unit, introduction of basics for the subject surveying and geomatics. First unit will be called introductions and basic concept of geometric and surveying. Okay. Coming to some points like course objectives, course outcomes. Okay. Some course objectives to prepare the horizontal and vertical objectives, and horizontal and vertical angle distance angles measurement, recording the observations accuracies, performing the calculations based upon the observations, identification sources of errors and methods, and applying the surveying for the principles of determine the areas and values and setting of course. Means different areas object is main object for the different process. Like example you are taking for the before you complete the nature, like what are the surveying, all the requirement, what are the requirement, first of all check, after that you will surveying will be start. Course outcomes, some course outcomes also there, applying for the knowledge and calculating angles. In engineering drawing point of view, calculate the areas, angles, protectors and scales and drafter everything. Here only for the instrument will be given for directly will angles, every instrument angles and distance and length. Will manual not calculate required. Okay, some instrument manual calculate, some instrument automatically will be directed values. In first unit, some textbooks for the Chandra, AM Chandra, SK Duggal, volume 1 and volume 2, and different references, Venkatramana, and different publications, BC Purnima's references. This is the topics for the first unit. Like what are the requirement for the 10 topics, in major 10 topics, introduction of basic concept of objective objective classifications and principles of surveying, scales of shrinkage maps, conventions of symbols and coding of signals, surveying accessories and phases of surveys, and measurements in distance and directions, linear distance measures approximately methods, direct methods, chain tapes, ranging and tape corrections, in prismatic compass, bearings, including angles, local attractions, coordinatal bearings, magnetic declinations and dips. Okay, these are the 10 topics will be discussed in briefly in next. Okay, next topic will be first I will introduction of basic surveys. For the why your surveying conducted mean here nothing but the different areas will be calculated the area measurements and earth, above the earth, below the earth, above the surface, like relative positions. Some benchmarks are also important. Why you are conducting benchmarks means for the reference purpose, for the benchmark will be using. Definitions. Coming to the introduction of the definition of survey. Survey is defined as the art of the making of the lines and angular measurements. Measurements determine the relative positions and object surface of the earth. First point. And second point, measurement the horizontal planes and paper is known as plane or map. Okay, plan and map. The vertical plane measurement represented by the paper is known as section or elevation. Means will be measurement of the vertical section. Vertical plane will be cut, that is name will be given as section or elevation. Means section will be cut on the plan. Okay, elevation, before the elevation, before your constructions, any plan, any building, the before will be visibility for the whole structure. Okay, coming to the take the work of surveying for the there are 5 phases. First means decision making, means what are the requirement of the equipment. Some 5 major topics for decision making, field work and computing for the data processing and mapping and stakeout. Means there are the major 5 topics. First, for the decision making means the selection of the methods of soils and methods of sites and different types of sites. Like example, you take red cotton soil, black cotton soil. Okay, different soils will be collecting with the different surveying. Means foundation purpose will be using for here. Next, the equipment. What are the equipment? Rock and foundation will be there, and normal foundation will be there. Loose sand will be there. That everything will be depends upon the instrument and area calculations. What are the requirement? What are the instruments will be required? First of all, you take the point location, final location of point before any road constructions, bridge constructions, and building construction. Any first of all constructions means the times will be used. The site selection will be must. Okay. Next, field work data collections. The measurements of the recording the data means hard like manual data will be calculated, instrument data, everything will be considerations. Computing the data processing means you will convert to the systems or any other process. Like example, you take the locations of unusable, like you take sorry, you take the process of the calculation process. Some paperwork will be there, sometimes will be calculate the areas, like totalization not useful for any paperwork. Okay, that times will be directly will be 4 points will be calculated, automatically will be given of the areas and any points. Okay, next coming to the map and data representations. Why your map will data, whole data will be represented a whole in map. Okay, plotting of the data is the project map, plots and charts and proper forms. Like example, you take the first any construction of the plan means we are before the layout. Why you're calling for layout means before you're taking for stakeout means locating the establishment of the properties of locations, everything. Map and stakeout will be interlinking each other. First of all, will map will be there means the whole area will be consideration. After that, stakeout of the roads, drainage systems, everything will be there. Everything will be proper or not, everything will be checked. Next, coming to the briefly historical survey of surveying means survey is the handling of the beginning of the 14 BC. Okay, next this older days will be no, okay, different will be there for like example, you are taking long along the width of the Nile river, dividing the sections, everything will nowadays will be automatically will be areas and different instruments. GPS satellites will be there, everything will be implemented of the latitude longitude will be there. That much will not take the time. The extensive of the surveys for the buildings, everything will be easy to do. Expanding for the extent of the work for the development of the geometric. Why your geometric called as the designing of geometric is a nothing but for the accidents reduced for vertical horizontal alignment. The times will be geometric design means step by step process and calculations, everything will be implemented on the ground surface and surveyor. Okay, next, Roman roads. There are five major surveying head and Greeks and Middle Ages process. Okay, and Romans and 18th and 19th centuries for the New World War. For the times, what are the changes, what are the requirement, everything will be represented. Survey of the health of the great power for the schools and next professionals organization development survey instruments means we will be using for different organizations, different purpose will be. The coming to the objective, the primary objectives of the surveying of the preparations of the planning of the establishment, building work, roadworks, railways, pipelines, canals, or etc. The measure the field of the states and nationals means will be given for the different central state or nationals will be given the first objective which purpose will be using for the survey means building survey, road survey, railway survey and pipeline. Why you are selecting the building survey means building survey requirement will be changed, road survey will be changed and next railway will be changed, pipeline also changed, canals also changed. And just I will two examples will give. Building will be given 4 points. Okay, not any slopes, everything only for leveling. RL will be find out here, reduce level, automatically area will be calculated. That's it. In road point of view, railway point of view and pipelines, okay, and canals, here will be implemented. The drainage system is the most important. Why means the once you hold the water means road or railways and pipelines, any canals will be damaged, the whole structures. The before your first of all your consideration how much of the catchment of area of water, everything, how much of the slopes, horizontal, vertical slopes, everything will implement here first of all. After that you will first major objective of this one. Next, objective of geodetic surveys and determine the piece of positions of the surface of the widely distance and points. Means here will be important thing is the geometric. Here will be represented before 250 and less than 250 will be represented. Okay, coming to the principles of surveys, the work from whole to part to whole. Okay, will be concept of the purpose of the processing of the work for the prevent accumulations of the errors of the during the procedure. For any errors of the measurements of any side of the triangle will not be affected for the whole work. The error can be always detected or eliminated. Means sometimes will be errors, but the reverse process, the part to whole is followed the minor errors, is measurements is magnified of the process of the exponential errors become a absolutely uncontrollable. Means work here will be concept, here will be concept, here part to whole means whole part to whole means all errors will be considerations, means any errors will be came means, so what is the part and how much of the area cover, easy to corrections process, sometimes corrections is not possible, second point paragraph, like example here, part to whole, the times is difficulty for the errors find outing, the some primary classifications, secondary classifications, classifications of survey, primary classifications, secondary classifications. Primary classifications will be given the plane surveys and geodetic surveys, and secondary classification means what is the difference here will plane survey and geodetic survey means plane survey some will be discussed next slide. Okay. Secondary classification, science survey, compass survey, plane table survey, theodolite survey, tachometric survey, photogrammetric survey. There are 5 types, 6 types will be there. Best methods of triangulation method, traversing method. Next, based upon the zoological survey, mining survey, and ethnological survey, and military survey, different. Next, coming to the based upon nature field, land survey, and mining survey, and different types of. Next, land survey dividing into the following classes. Topographical survey means topography. What is the topographical? To determine the natural and artificial features countries such as rivers, lakes, hilly roads, hilly areas, and roads, railways, towns, etc. Okay. Cadastral survey means to determine the boundaries of field, estimate of the houses means state boundaries and central boundaries and country boundaries that times will be used for cadastral survey. Here different surveys and different map surveys will be using for different process. Coming to the city surveys, the local permits of the streets, water supplies, and sanitary systems. Already just now I will discuss for different sanitary systems. Coming to the engineering survey, the collect the data of the designing of the engineering work like such as roads, rivers, and reservoirs and railways, etc. Next, this is the process for the whole classifications of survey. Next here will be represented for the different areas will be using for the different cities areas. The difference between plane survey and geodetic survey. Coming to the plane survey, first of all, I will take for the less than 250 kilometers, and geodetic survey greater than 250 kilometers will be matching. Why here means here will be different areas and different measurements will be requirement and different process like different criteria. Like example, you take first of example plane survey. I will some 5-6 points will be there. I will read first plane survey, after that geodetic survey. The effective curvature of earth is not consideration. In geodetic point of view, the effective curvature will be consideration, means opposite direction. The plane survey, some areas like example, you take small areas, the times will be used for plane survey. In geodetic survey will be highly areas like huge areas and high constructions works, the times will be geodetic survey, and accuracy purpose geodetic survey will be used. The major thing, the surface of the earth of taking in plane, the involve the spherical, trigonometrical, so is called as trigonometrical survey. There areas of the survey less than 350 kilometers in plane survey and greater than 250 kilometers in geodetic survey will be used. For the degree of accuracy is low and degree of accuracy high, means accuracy why or high means the every steps will be proper and everything will be instruments, everything will be proper manner will be considerations in geodetic survey like benchmark and levelings, everything mean sea levels, everything will take proper channel, means proper channel means proper values will be put, and sometimes here any errors will become automatically will be help of photogrammetric areas, and satellites errors will be identification. Next, coming to the last point for the plane surveys of the conduct of the state of the agencies for like irrigation department, railway department. Geodetic surveys conducted by Survey of India already with the whole area means will completely will be calculate. Survey of India will be GSTS department. Okay, here already whole areas will be calculated. Okay, this is a process for the areas for the representing the scales of planes, scales, diagonal scales. Okay, plane scales, diagonal scales, Okay, plane scales and diagonal scales will be there. Okay, coming to the topic for different types of scales like plane scale, diagonal scales, vernier scales, these scales, and wire scales will be read here will presented for the whole areas like vernier to main scales will be different areas, different scales will be values will be there. Here instrument point of view will be read everything. In engineering graphic points of view will be discussed for the easy to understanding. Here sometimes difficulty, once you instrument once or two times will be used, instrument means easy to understand. Next, coming to the convention symbol. Tell me anyone why your conventional symbols, why you are using for convention symbols. Can anyone tell me? Please respond, everyone. Convention symbols, why you are using? Please tell me some suggestions. Okay, convention symbols is nothing but for the different areas. Why you means before your signing and before means like temple, mosque, gurudwara, everything before identification purpose will be used. And next railway track, double track, single track, and next road bridge, level crossing, and road road over railway means below the subway will be road and above the railway track. Sometimes above the road, below the train. Sometimes subway, ulta means road under the railway. Okay, road under the railway. Sometimes okay, boundaries without columns and with columns, and townships areas, pounds, everything the different areas, and groceries and embankment, north line. Okay, temples, mosques, and church, everything will be different. Okay, chain lane, triangulations. Okay, why a means convention symbol will be using here means will be before your signing process, means you will given for intimate process, means before 500 meters will be 1 kilometer to 500 meters will be before you will be intimate. Okay, next, shrinkage map. There are 3 points in shrinkage map. Prepare the drawing prepare for the shrinkage due to the changing of atmospheric conditions like temperature, humidity. Due to the lines of making the shrinkage will be errors of the measurement taking from map. The shrinkage length of the line of the map of the actual length is terms of the shrinkage ratios factors, means shrinkage factors also there. Okay, means why you are conducting of the shrinkage map means sometimes of the errors identifications like cloth of the maps and next paper maps, everything will be different temperature, different areas, and different measurement. Survey accessories means different types of surveys, like example chain survey, tape survey. What are the names that is called as accessory of surveys? Next, chain 20 meters, centimeters, 20 centimeters chain length. Okay, each link. Okay, interval 1 meter will be interval. Okay, this is the prismatic compass, ranging rod height 2 meters, 3 meters, white and black and red, white, different colors will be there. Okay, auto level, leveling staff will be RL will be finding purpose will be used for this is a theodolite and totalization. Approximately method, linear distance means this is an instrument will be used for different purpose and different leveling, different calculations purpose will be using for different measurements. Next, coming to the coming to the linear distance approximately means one of the basic functions of surveys. All horizontal is not sloping distance. No way for the check of the error is the remaining. Okay, this is a process of approximately method. This is a process one diagram called horizontal distance correct and inclined distance of the AB is not correct. Okay, sometimes this is the process oldest days will be calculated. Direct method and stopping method with the convention of the process of the down hilly areas and tape shall not be horizontal, means sometimes will be sufficient of the pull of the avoid the sacks and length of the step, means why you are conducting for the tape or chain, everything will chain will be sometimes will be corrections and tape also corrections. Okay, some plans everything will be there, tape corrections also came in summer vacation. Summer times will be chain errors will be came. This is a process L1 plus L2 L plus L3 plus L4. This is a distance directions method formula for the chain. How many types of chains will be metric chain, Gunter chain, engineering revenue chain, steel band and band chain means 20 meter or 30 meter chain. How many feet revenue chain? 33 feet, 16 links. Different areas, different types. How many types of cloth tapes? Cloth tape, metallic tape, steel tape, inverted tape means different types of images will be showing here. Okay, different purpose will. Steel tape will be using for the small area calculations, like example door height, window height, and cloth tape will be using for the measurement for the different areas. Okay, next ranging, direct ranging, indirect ranging. This is a method for the direct ranging when two endpoints for the interval means this is the either of the eyes or throw of the option of the instrument such as direct instrument with visibility for the instrument to instrument. Next, coming to the linear indirect ranging where means code signals using for direction left side or right side will hand symbols will be visible. That times will be left or right, not sounding process here means some people still calling left, come to left side, not right side, come up down means here will be showing for the example here showing for the left or right or anything. Okay, next coming to the next topic. This is the length of the tape of the corrections. Okay, indirect ranging mean the 2 points is not visible. This times avoid the intermediate points every near the lines means intermediate points will be taking, like example you take AB is not visible means that times MN will be M will be visible A and N will be visible for B. These 2 points will be center will take for the step by step interval will be changing for the different areas. Okay, this is the process for indirect direct ranging. Okay, next coming to the tape correction. Tape correction, why your tape corrections will be required sometimes will be temperature, sagging and sloping, incorrect of the line. Means some errors will be, hemming errors will be there, sometimes temperature errors, that times will be corrections formulas. In calculate point of view will be important. Okay, coming to the prismatic compass. Prismatic compass for the magnetic needles attached the circular ranging. Okay, ring made up of the aluminum, the needle of the sum of the provided of the different directions, like north direction is compulsory, like it will be already will be instrument will north east west, already instrument will be visibility for north direction. Okay, coming to the box of the center of the point, magnetic, everything will be already will discuss in whole diagram. Okay, what is the bearing? There are how many types of bearings? Please everyone, very important in exam point of view. The bearing of the lines of the horizontal angle make with the references of line of meridians. Bearing is the 4 types: true bearing, magnetic bearing, grid bearing, arbitrary bearing. Means here will be different types of bearings will be used. For true bearings will be horizontal angles between the true meridians. Survey lines will be measured clockwise directions. The north meridians will be used for magnetic bearing. Grid bearing will be used for horizontal angles. Horizontal angles lines and algebraic meridians will be used. Coming to the decisions of the bearing, there are 4 types: whole circle bearing, continental bearing, reduced bearing, and forward bearing and back bearing. Whole circle bearing is the whole areas, means 4 phases will be changes: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. Means here will be first coordinate will once again will call for the another point, other name. Next first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. Okay, first coordinate 0 to 19 and second coordinate will be second coordinate 90 to 80, 80 to 270, third coordinate, fourth coordinate 270 to 360. This is the coordinates, very important. Okay, otherwise you'll not in exam problem point of view very difficulty. Okay, continental bearing system. Continental, this is the system of the bearing surveys for the line of the measure for the north line of the south line, which the nearest of the given for the survey is another clockwise direction or anti-clockwise directions. Will be using for the different areas, like reduced bearing. Reduced bearing. Okay, reduced bearing. The reduced bearing will be continental bearing when a whole circle bearing is converted to the continental bearing, it is called as reduced bearing. Okay, when you're calling for reduced bearing, whole circle to continental bearing will be converting. The times will be reduced bearing. Fore bearing and back bearing, fore bearing will be foresight taking, back bearing will be backside. Means will be instrument backside will be take the backside reading. Okay, for back bearing or in front of instrument will be taking reading is called as fore bearing. Means already I will discuss the bearing of the lines of the measure the forward directions or backward directions. Okay, depends upon visibility. Local attraction means local attractions here nothing but you're taking the instrument the times will be using for the different areas and different measurements. Your local attraction means sometimes your compass in front of compass, nearby compass, sometimes watch, electronic watch. That times will be difficulty for the errors will be lot of errors will be came. Means sometimes you'll not electronic device in survey point of view or not devising electronic devices not provide with you. Okay, everything will switch off like example electronic watches and some magnetic powers that times will be. This is the local attraction process. Meridians of the dip and declinations means angles of declinations and magnetic meridians. Dip of angles, field of horizontal surface either called as dip. Okay, this is a angle of magnetic meridians and angle of declinations. Okay, this is a whole chapter of the first unit. Okay, this is a process of the whole unit of the completed.